organize events for university students, for women and non-binary people working in technical fields. And this is the first event we've done with a high school in many years, so it's really exciting. It's basically a mini programming contest, and we're just trying to give high schoolers like their first taste of programming so they can decide if it's something they like.
Because coding itself is such a valuable skill to learn, and the earlier you learn it, the better you get at it in the long run. It is so useful to learn it because it's just applicable everywhere you go once you get into the industry.